so I'm getting shit ready to go down to Wellington, and um, one thing that I did decide to get was a toolkit, like, because I do like spending money, and I like spending money at Bunnings particularly, and Super Cheap Auto, because they're both um, pretty big. They're big brand stores, I guess you call them big box stores, I guess is what they say, big box stores. And I have noticed that some of the brands interchange, so you can buy Kin Chrome, I think it is, or King Chrome shit at Bunnings, and you could also get it at Super Cheap. So I think there might be some sort of meshing there. But anyway, this is not a one versus the other. This is about toolkits. So anyway, I'm considering a toolkit. Now, obviously, a toolkit on a bike, you can't throw everything in there, so you need just the essential stuff. So what would you be looking for? You'd be looking for screwdrivers, you'd be looking for sockets, and you'd be looking for maybe some bloody hex fucking wrenches, or whatever you call those things. Allen keys is what I used to call them. They apparently don't get called Allen keys anymore. Maybe it was disrespectful to Allen. I'm not sure. But anyway, that's what you'd be expecting to take, because you're not going to do, well, hopefully, you're not going to do a major fucking repair on the side of the road. So I thought, right, I'll look for some automotive tools. Where do you go for automotive tools? Probably go to Super Cheap Auto, because essentially Bunnings is a hardware store. So you would think, okay, right, if I'm going to get stuff for my car or my bike, I'm going to go to Super Cheap Auto. So I went to Super Cheap Auto. And I picked this up. BikeService. BikeService. It's a comprehensive toolkit that goes into a small tool roll like so, and velcros around. Now the clincher for this is that they say that this incredibly awesome tool roll can be velcro strapped to your bike, and it can. You can strap this around one of your bars, and there you have a toolkit strapped to your bike. What do they expect you to pay for the privilege, I guess, of strapping their toolkit to your bike? $139. $139. Now, essentially in here is a tiny ratchet, an extension, a number of sockets, and then some screwdriver bits. And now, does it contain, I'll just have a look, does it contain the all-important hex bits? Yes, it does. So it has hex bits as well, or mini Allen keys, as I like to call them. So it has those. $139, and if memory serves me correctly, 26 pieces. But we'll count them. So let's see. We've got the ratchet. We've got an extension, and another extension bit on the end. So let's say 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 screwdrivery bits. I can get those out and show you. This rather groovy set of sockets. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 26 pieces. $139. So I bought that, and I was like, this is great. This little socket ratchet thing looks like a fucking Action Man one, or G.I. Joe, or well, it doesn't look fucking very big, but it's okay. Now I tried it out. It's decent. The only issue that I had was this ratchet system here. The ball bearing is, it has a ball bearing on the ratchet, on the locking system. You need the strength of 20 men to pull it apart. So it's not going to fall apart on you, which is good. It's very good. It's very good. It's the greatest. Is it the greatest, though? So $139, 26 pieces, and you can Velcro it to your bike. So anyway, I go to Bunnings, as I do virtually every weekend. I haven't been this weekend, so it can't be every weekend. So virtually every weekend I go to Bunnings. Now I troll around the place, usually pushing a trolley, got a coffee, $4 coffee. What do they call that? Expert tip. Get yourself a trade pass. Coffees are only $4 for the large. So I go there, buy a coffee, and then I take my trolley and I wander around aimlessly around the aisles going, oh, that'd be nice. Put that in the trolley. Oh, that'd be nice. Then essentially go around and put them all back on the shelves again in where I got them from because I don't really need what I'm picking up. But I do look at the aisle that has the discounted stuff. I went into the aisle and I found this. Now, this is a Trojan. Yeah, it's not one of those Trojans. It's not even the same brand, but it's the brand Trojan, and it is it had broken packaging. So I got this cheap. I got it for $40, broken packaging. If it doesn't have broken packaging, I think you pay $56 for it. $56 for that. Now, I know what you're saying. You're saying, but that's not 26 pieces. It's not comparable to the BikeService package that you got, which has 26 pieces. No, that's right. It does not have 26 pieces in it. It has substantially more pieces in it. Substantially more. I think it's got, I'm going to guess, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 40. It has 40 pieces. 40 pieces for $55 in a sturdy carry case that takes up very little room compared to $139 for, what did we say, 26 pieces in a tool roll that you can Velcro to your bike. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm into value for money, and I think that Velcroing this to my bike is far outweighed by the less cost, more tools, and I would say substantially better packaging that the Trojan Toolkit has over the BikeService tool roll. I don't know. There's just something that I've found. I've obviously spent 190, nearly $200, nearly $200 on these 2 lots of tools for my bike, and really I could have just done that. I could have saved myself by buying that. There you go. Anyway, I hope that's a helpful tip for you fellas that are rocking around looking for tools for your bike. Give Bunnings, and it's not a sponsor because fucking Bunnings don't sponsor anybody. You would know that, especially if you're a contractor for Bunnings. Yeah, Bunnings don't sponsor anything. This is not sponsored by Super Cheap Auto. But if I was you, if I'm looking for tools for my bike or my car or anything, I'd give Bunnings a crack and see what you can pick up in the Trojan range. Seems like pretty decent shit to me. Right, there you go. There's another, well, garage review from, BSarge.